In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to connect your gas price sign to your power supply. On the power supply, there are two parts to it. We have the input and the output. On the side of the input, there are three wires, and you can see them labeled on here as well. The green or the yellow for the ground, and the brown for your live or hot, and your blue for the neutral. Now, to connect this input to your power supply, to connect power to your power supply, you can either use a 3-pin male plug like this, or you can connect it to your breaker switch. On the output side, there are two wires to it, the red and the black. The red is the positive and the black is the negative. It's also labeled on here for reference. And moving over to your gas price sign, there are two wires as well, one brown and one blue. In this case, in some cases, it can either be a red and a black or a red and a blue. But your red or brown will always be your hot, which is your positive, and your blue or your black will always be your negative or neutral. Now, to connect your power supply, the output of your power supply to your gas price sign, you can either use a junction box like this and just pass the cables through, and you can connect it in there using the wire nut or the wire connectors, or you can get a junction box with a terminal bracket inside that you can use to connect the gas price sign and your power supply together to protect it from the elements. And that's pretty much it.